Well, Gleason's was good, man. It was absolutely full of fish. They were stacked up in there like cordwood. And again, Zach just couldn't get the job done.
A little too much pressure right at the end there. Yeah, hey. Good job. Oh.
It's about 6:30 in the morning. We're back on the river, and we're gonna hit that same spot we hit last night right before we left. There should be fish there. There's all kinds of fish on these reds and good numbers, aggressive males. Man, it's all you could ask for.
Right back at it. And you know, all the ribbing I gave Z the day before must have got him all fired up, because the dude started the morning on a flat out tear hooking fish.
This one's stuck in the middle. Let's have to get.
Go. Actually hooked in the mouth too, Teej. What do you think of that? Nice fish. PM steelhead.
Right after Z let that fish go, the fishing got hot, and I mean hot. Everyone got on the steelhead fighting action. Cameramen, guides, it was truly one of those days that everything just fell into place.
It starts to get real fast, you know, real fast, let go.
Oh, you got him? No.
I don't think it's a good hookup, guys, but it's all right. Here we go, Ryan.
Let's do it. Get it in here.
He's just laying there right now. He's just laying in the current. Just pulling. Look at that. See that pulsating? Just pulsating a little bit. Oh, there we go. There's a little shaky shake. What you just witnessed was probably the craziest steelhead action ever. We had a steelhead hooked. Of course, hooked it. TJ didn't. It took runs downstream, a couple hundred yards, and then it decided to go into some logs. I thought the fight was over, but oh, we got another fish on. Another fish on. Hey! Get that slack! Get that slack! Get that slack! So anyways, back to the fish story, which is not a fish story. I guarantee it wasn't a fish story. That fish swam out of that log jam right into my netter's net across the river. Therefore, it's a legal fish, and TJ now owes me $100 for first fish. But since we had one person scare it out, one person net it, one person hook it, maybe we'll split it up. What do you think, TJ? 33 1/3 for all three of us?
Actually, that doesn't count, Zach.
Why doesn't it count? I don't buy it. I'm getting my 33 back.
The first day we were on the river, I saw something that I've never seen on the PM before. We actually saw a white trout. Now it was some kind of albino, orangish, goofy looking thing. But the next day, we went down to the same spot and that fish was still there. And Z actually got a hook into him.
Oh, you got that trout! You got that trout! Kevin, get in there. Let him net it. Let him net it.
Where do you want it, man?
Right over here.
All right, let's, you want it, I mean, you got it in the mouth. Yeah. No, he does.
Oh, sweet.
For real.
No,
This is legit, man. I mean, before you get it rolling here, we'll show.
Somebody hold on to the net so he don't flop out.
Yeah. Right, I mean,
Look at
that
that,
pretty
right?
much says it all. Go ahead and hold that,
Yeah.
hold that
Look
fly.
at that thing right in the jaw, too.
Yeah. That is cool. Stone fly. Now, I'm gonna tell you right now, everybody's gonna tell you I think this is a golden trout, but
It's not.
I think you're legit, man.
I've caught golden trout.
I think I agree with you.
I've caught them.
I think that is an albino.
I'll guarantee you that's a red band. I mean, you can tell by right here,
Yeah.
that's not a golden.
No,
There's
I know,
some
because they don't have,
spots.
they don't have. That is, go watch the jaw. What are we on here?
I mean, I don't know. Maybe it came from a hatchery or something, but
We first
I had
hooked
no
that
idea.
fish, we had no idea what it was. Even Kevin and Kurt Aiken, who have fished the PM for years, had never seen anything like it before. So when we got back to the shop, we decided to call a local DNR officer. And he actually told us that that was a pen raised fish that they released into the PM to allow the eagles to have some easy prey. And we were just fortunate enough to get a hook in it.
Dude, listen, we caught a rainbow yesterday. It was
Turned
about
into the
this
current.
long,
Yeah.
okay? And it had a cut, like a cut through trout, it
Yeah.
orange right here.
Yeah.
And I showed it to Kurt and it almost, I wonder if they're a hybrid in here.
That is so crazy, man.
Well, it's been a good couple days here on the Pure Marquette River in Northwest Michigan. Got to give a big thanks to Fish and Chips Charters, especially Kurt Aiken and Kevin Aiken. And a big thanks goes out to Brad Bigelow for helping us out this week. It was definitely a great week. We got some fish.
yeah, we got some fish, and you know, we had a nice tally going. I think I probably finished on top of you there, TJ. But you know, that doesn't really matter. Everybody out with us today caught some fish. We had a great time. You can't ask for better weather this time of year. You know, usually you're steelhead fishing and you're freezing. This has been phenomenal.